everyone, here's how I put entredot in between seams. First, I stitch a straight stitch somewhere around like a 1.8, a 2.0, something like that for my machine. You know, like a smaller stitch, a tighter stitch, right on the other side of the entredot holes. And as far as seam allowance goes, you can do the math to subtract from your fabric to allot for your given entredot, but really let's think about this because it really doesn't make that big of a difference. I mean, most entredot is like, what, 1/8 of an inch wide, and the entredot I'm using is on the wide side for entredot. It's about 1/4 of an inch or so. So even for a little one, that's not a lot of size. You know, 1/8 of an inch to add to a garment is not a lot of size. The thing that is going to make the difference, though, is consistency. So whatever seam allowance spacing you do pick, do that for all the seams. That way your seams and entredot will match up as you continue the construction of your garment. So I hope that makes sense. Then I move my needle to the right twice, which gives 1/8 of an inch spacing from the first line of stitches, and I repeat stitching again. So at this point I have 2 rows of parallel stitches about 1/8 of an inch apart, and then I trim really close to the outside row of those stitches, and from there I run over those stitches with a zigzag, and this helps to enclose the line of stitches and it makes it a bit stronger, but it also rolls that seam tightly. So the resulting seam will be smaller than if you skip this zigzag step. It'll just be like a neater look, if you will. So for my machine, I use around a 2.2 in width and about a 1.0 in length, 1.0 in length. Then you can press that part of the seam towards the fabric. You always want to press away from entredot so you're not hiding those lovely holes. And this is the same process as I would do if my fabric was gathered as well. So you can repeat the process. Sorry, Audrey's in the background playing. You can repeat the process for the other half of the seam, and there you go, entredot in between the seam. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.